Oliver Media delivers innovative solutions, and we deliver it in two different ways. We deliver innovative media choices, which, given the fragmentation and all of the new media tools out there, are able to deliver reach to an advertiser's marketing plan. Secondly, and most important, we're able to deliver a captive audience that's not just an impression, but it builds that brand engagement. For example, one of the programs that we worked with is for our client Chevy. They wanted to sell more Silverado pickup trucks, and what we were able to do is to develop a program that fit the buyer profile. Buyers of pickup trucks tended to live in rural communities, and we were able to use our media vehicles to field a program that only appeared in rural communities to help not only connect with that consumer, but drive them down the buying cycle.